Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm going to show you today again, and I know I showed you before, but how to grow a pineapple plant, and you can get one that produces fruit in a number of years from a pineapple top of a pineapple that you buy in the store. Now I bought this in Walmart last night. The most important thing is to try to get a healthy looking top and then do this right away. Now right away I have to get this done. I bought this last night. I have to do this right now. But it's very easy and I'll show you how it's done. But here's what you do. You just, excuse me, I am losing my mind. I don't need a knife for this part. You twist it. You twist it right off, okay? This way you could even put, if you weren't ready to cut the pineapple or something, you could put that away in your refrigerator. I would cover it maybe with a piece of cellophane wrap. But this is what you do. You twist it, okay? And you've got a little bit of fruit here. So you're going to just want to like clean that off a little bit. Just like that. Not too much. Now what you want to do is start ripping off these leaves right here. Okay, and sometimes if you start with the ones above, it's easier, but you're going to want to rip them off because you want to create an area where the new roots are going to grow. So we're going to just keep going with this. Oops, sorry, I hit my... That's why I didn't even cut the tag off, because it's just going to come right off when we do this. So I'll show you in just 1 second here what we're doing. Okay, you see this area right here? This is where the roots are going to grow from. Maybe you might see when you do this like a dried out little root. Sometimes you can see that. Those are not going to be good. You want new roots to form here. This could take 2 weeks, 3 weeks to get good enough roots that you want to transplant into dirt. I know some people will, you could see some videos where they put them into dirt right away. I don't do that. Now, like this part, you can pull this here too to clean that up. Just pull that off. Okay, I'm not going to worry too much about that one, but this is what you want, and this is what you want to put into the water. And that's simply all that's done. You can pull it out, change the water, you know, every week or every 3-4 days, whatever. And then, and as you see roots coming, you can look at my other videos, then you'll know you were successful. And I've done this, and knock on wood, I've been successful every time. I had 3 plants. Okay, we had a flood in our home, a leak in our home that caused major damage. We had to move out of our house. I kept some plants here in an area. I would come back, I would water them. I mean, it was the craziest conditions you could ever imagine. And 2 of them survived and 1 of them didn't. And that was all due to the crazy conditions. But they are very hardy plants. Let me show you my plants. Okay, guys, are still living in pretty harsh conditions. We have construction going on in our home. We have drywall dust all over, which is like every day, so they're dusty. But this one, I believe, is one of the ones that I potted from a store-bought pineapple, just like the one you saw there. I mean, rooted and potted from there. I need to transplant it into a bigger container. Be wrong about which one is which, but one is from a store-bought pineapple, and then one is from the pineapple from the store-bought pineapple plant, which I still have, that produced that little pineapple. And again, I'm going to go look and see if I have that. Don't mind the cord to my steamer there. I'm going to see if I still have that video, and if I haven't put it up, I'm going to put it up. I know I still have it, but I'll put it up for you guys. So these are rooted, no matter where they came from. I rooted the pineapple top just like you saw now, and these are the plants. They both need to be transplanted. Poor things have gotten like no attention, so I can't even imagine if I was able to care for them properly, which hopefully once my house gets finished, I will. But they've been so good and just hanging on for me, and I'm really grateful for that. But anyway, right now, this is my first pineapple plant. I bought this as a plant. It had that little pineapple. If you go back in my videos, you will see it. Little pineapple on it, and that's one of the ones that you just saw. It was rooted into that. So this, what it essentially did is almost like the part that had the pineapple back there like died off, and I got to cut it out. But then we've got these new younger plants that came too, and then these will produce fruit probably very soon because this plant was producing fruit. When you water a pineapple, let me just show you the right way to do it. I mean, you can make sure the soil on the bottom is moist. Go right in to these, to the insides, and you'll see the water will spill out and kind of cascade and flow down, and that's how you really water them well. So here is what we're going to end up doing now. You see this? I just have a paper cup. That's all you need. That's it. Like I said, you check it, you change it. I like to use the paper cup because I can throw the cup away if the water or any gets slimy. You can put it on your kitchen windowsill. You'd like it to get some light. And that is it. Whoops, our label came back on there. That's it. So I will keep you updated on the progress of this little pineapple plant. And I hope you try this at home and let me know, because I know a lot of you were saying you couldn't get the pineapple top to grow. Could I please show a video? And that's why I made my last one. I'm going to also try to get the other one uploaded with the little tiny baby pineapple updated on this one. And I'm also going to start some mangoes. I started a seed on December 11th, and that's ready to get potted. And then I've got some new mangoes I got at the store today, and it's a really fun winter activity to do, especially when you're like in the Northeast. Plants are so good for us, and it gives us a chance to garden indoors because our growing season is so short. So I don't know, I really enjoy it, and I just hate throwing away something that can grow into a plant. I mean, plants, even if they didn't produce fruit, give us oxygen. So yeah, I feel bad anytime I throw away a mango seed, so I try never to do it. Anyway, or a pineapple top. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you try this or if you have any questions. Have a great day.